Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. Just so you know, I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Also do consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. Potatoes are the most versatile vegetable, and if you just tag it along with any other vegetable, it becomes a delicious dish. And today we are going to cook potatoes with fermented dry fish in Northeast Indian style. The recipe is really easy to make, simple and delicious. It's quite appetizing, and every tribe in Northeast India have their own versions, and also it varies from household to household. So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Potatoes, tomatoes, green chilies, onions, turmeric powder, salt, fermented dry fish and oil. Now let's start cooking our potatoes with fermented dry fish. First boil the potatoes. Once cool, peel the skin. Squash the potatoes but don't mash them and keep aside. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your fermented dried fish, finely chopped onions, split green chilies and a pinch of turmeric powder. Stir fry them on a medium flame for a minute. Now add your boiled potatoes and salt as per taste. Stir and cook them for 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame. Add your finely chopped tomatoes, stir it well and cook until it becomes pulpy. Add half a cup of water so that the vegetable becomes little mushy. Then again stir and cook it on a low flame until it becomes completely dry. And here you go, our dish is ready. And to go along with our delicious fermented dry fish potato dish, I have prepared dal. Also, I'm frying some papad. And some homemade green chili pickle. Here is our potato with fermented dried fish. And if you see, it's quite colorful and has the vibrant, red color from the tomatoes. And the chilies are looking really yum. And I wish you were here to get this beautiful fragrance that's coming, and it's becoming really difficult for me to resist now. So let's go ahead and start our meal. So today, to accompany with it, as I have mentioned, these are some homemade green chilies, and if you're interested to try it, do let me know. I'll definitely prepare on this YouTube channel. Yeah, I've taken a generous help since they are not that hot, and this itself is going to be look at the beautiful potatoes. Who don't like potatoes? And wasn't the dish so easy to prepare? Do let me know what you think about it in the comments. And I love this teeny poppers. Yeah, they are good munchies. Okay, I think, yeah, one per every bite. And this is some moong dal or yellow dal. So I'm just gonna give it a gentle stir. And I'll have to take the plate here so that I don't spill it. Mmm. Let me put the ladle right in the bowl just in case if I need again. And look at how colorful and delicious my plate is already looking, guys. And do let me know if you enjoy, these kind of meals at home as well. Whoa. Yeah, the lentils really, balances this entire dish. And for those of you who just want to try the, potatoes as it is, you can definitely go ahead and do that too. The sound of the poppers. I have to eat one. They're spicy. Also, if you prepare similar potato recipes, do let me know in the comments. And what's your favorite style? I mean, at home is something that I'm really curious to know. So do drop in the comments. And now let's taste the dish. This is damn good. You can taste this yummy flavor of the fermented fish. And if you don't have fermented dried fish, you can put any dried fish, and I think small shrimps, dried ones, will also do. Oh my gosh. I never wondered why we are so, hooked to this potato dry fish combo. And across Northeast India, we have our own versions. I like the Manipuri ones as well. They are also really good, and the way they prepare it is also quite intricate and in detail. And I think nobody can beat the Manipuris when it comes to chutney or any kind of side dishes, because they have quite a, good number of recipes, I must say. These chilies that I have, they're mostly flavoring, and it just enhances this entire experience. It's been quite some time since I have prepared some fermented dried fish on my channel, and there are plenty of recipes which I have already covered. So if you have not yet checked them out, go ahead and watch those videos and also try cooking them, guys, and let me know which one of the dry fish chutneys or recipes were your favorite. This is super appetizing. I think even if you are having like high fever and all, if you just prepare this dish for someone, their appetite is just gonna come back, and I'm sure eating food will help them recover faster. Mm. Although there were no spices in this dish, the chilies will do all its trick that it's required to make a humble potato really level it up to next one. Mm. This is hot, and this is the kind of experience that we want to get while eating. And being a chili fanatic, oh, this is just something that you wish that you can eat with every meal. Mm. Okay, I'm going to add one more small spoon. It's like almost a tablespoon of it. The best part about leaving the potatoes, slightly squashed and not completely mashed is that you can feel a different whole new texture. Mm. I'm sweating profusely now. Mm. Mm. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. Do let me know in the comments. And also, if there is any recipe that you would wish to share, kindly send it to snigdhasbioscope@gmail.com. You can also, follow me on Instagram to check out what and all I cook as well as do on my regular life. And this was really yummy. So don't think that simple recipes cannot be good. This is one of the perfect example. And if you have watched it so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let's hit 100 likes in one day. What do you think? I'll be back next Friday with another brand new Northeast Indian recipes. So tune into my channel, and it's bye for now.